Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video we'll be learning about overtraining and the 9 signs where you get to know that you are overtraining. So let's start the video. We all know that exercise is important, but when do you stop? There is a dose responsive relationship. So as you train harder, you'll be getting better results. At a tipping point, you will train harder and it will be more harmful for you. So that's where you will be stopping it. So we'll be going in detail about what are the signs you will be finding out when you're overtraining. There are two factors wherein you can overtrain. One is with the physical activity, you're doing too much of physical activity. Second one is you are under fueling, so you are giving very less nutrition to your body. That's where these are the two factors which are the signs which will tell that you are overtraining. So let's go to the first point: decreased performance. Your endurance, your strength and agility, these all dip down. Increased RPE, rate of perceived exertion. So the exercise which you were able to do easily before, now that exercise is becoming harder to do. Third one, excessive fatigueness. This is mainly because of chronic calorie deficit. If you are going too much very low in terms of your calorie deficit, you are going more than 500 calories lesser than what is your TDE, then you will be having the third sign. The next one, fourth point, is agitation and mood swings. So when you are overtraining, the two hormones, one is cortisol, other one is epinephrine, these hormones will be having an imbalance, as well as you'll be having a lot of agitation. You'll get irritated very fast. Insomnia, this is one more sign of overtraining. You will not be able to get sleep at all. So that is also because of the hormones which we talked before, the cortisol and epinephrine. These levels, if it is going up, then you will be feeling restless and you will not sleep. Next one, loss of appetite. So usually when you train harder, you will feel more hungrier. But once you do overtraining, you will start feeling loss of appetite. You will not be hungry anymore and you will not like the food. That's one more sign of being overtrained. Next one is chronic injuries. Okay, it can be a chronic injury or a nagging injury. So this is mainly because of overworked muscles and overworked joints. So for this, you will start seeing that the bone mineral density is going down. Metabolic imbalances. With overtraining, you will start feeling the iron deficiency and becoming more anemic. So this was the 8. 9th point is psychological stress. So with all this overtraining, you will start feeling more psychologically stressed and you will not be in a right state of mind. So these were the 9 signs of being overtrained. Are you having any of them? If you are having any of this and you have been overtraining for a while, I would recommend that you take a break for a while, for a few days, and just relax for some time. Maybe just do some stretching, not do overtraining, so that your body can adapt, and some of the hormonal imbalances which are there, you can bring it to the normal level with some rest, so that your body, once it gets the proper rest, it can. These were these 9 signs of being overtrained. And my name is Ravi Tej. I'm a certified fitness trainer. If you like this content, do subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.